Hey, I'm Scott Mayette, Production Print Specialist with Kyocera. How'd you like to print color for the cost of black and white? Let me introduce you to the TASKalpha Pro 15,000C, Kyocera's least cost entry into the production print market. 146 pages a minute, extremely modular system. Here we have one feeder and one stacker. You can have up to 2 stackers and 2 feeders, as well as an inline Duplo booklet maker, and Plockmatic is coming out in October. It's the marking engine. This is where all the magic happens. Inside are your print heads. The system will take care of itself. There's a treatment center that will come in and cap, purge, clean, and wipe your print heads. This system is configured with a 1.3 liter ink system. For larger volumes, we recommend a 3 liter ink package, which would be installed in the back of the system. The beauty of production inkjet, and particularly this system, is very few moving parts. As you probably know, with a toner system, you have fusers, Cortron wires, drums. Those parts are non-existent in production inkjet. Therefore, uptime on this system is anywhere from 96 to 98% uptime. Anywhere from 800,000 to 1 million impressions between service calls.